Today I'm going to talk about a plugin. The plugin's name is Hide Admin Notices. So why is this plugin required? What sort of activities, what sort of function does it do, and what purpose does it serve? Okay, let's see. This is the dashboard. Let me go to the dashboard of one of my websites. Okay, I have three websites. All of them are blog based. I live in rural areas. That's why a little bit slow internet connection. Okay, that's not the point. What the point is that actually, see, this is the dashboard of one of my blogs. And what do I see? What do I see? What do I see? Look, a lot of notices. Okay, a lot of notices. Even if I go to the plugin space, let's see, what do I see? A lot of notices. This one is from what is that? GS logo slider plugin, Jetpack, and notice from Jetpack. Oh my god! And this is also another notice from one plugin. So I do not want these notices to show up every time I log into my dashboard of a site. So what do? I will install this particular plugin, Hide Admin Notices, and I will show you what effects it has on my site. Okay, now since I am on the plugin space, install the plugins, but I would like to go to the add new, and here you can see. Let me search for Hide Admin Notices. Okay, just wait a moment, and here is the plugin I am looking for. Currently, it has more than 6,000 active installations. It was developed by this company, the Easy Web Co, and last updated 8 months ago. Okay, so maybe there are other plugins, but this is the particular plugin. I used to work for an IT company even yesterday. I resigned from that because of certain reason. The company says they are unable to make profit, so they are not going to increment my salary. So that's why I quit the job anyway. So the boss over there, he told me he always use this particular plugin to hide admin notices, and also when I worked there, I used to do the same. So this is the plugin I have used there in that office. I have found it quite useful, and this is the same plugin I'm going to use for my personal blogs. Okay, now let me install it. Okay, now activate it. Okay, now that the plugin is successfully installed and activated, as you can see here, right here. So see, a lot less notices. I can get rid of this. I can only the most important notices appear now, but most of the notices are gone just like that. Okay, so upon installing the plugin, this is something I get in addition. So if I like to see all the notices, all that I have to do is to click this particular button and the notices will show up. Let me go to the dashboard now. Say it's almost pretty clean. Almost pretty clean. The most important notices, they show up here. Whenever I need to see, I like to see notices, I need to click here and the notices show up. I click this. Okay, what happened? Then I can manually get rid of each and every notice, and there. So I hope you get the concept. Okay, let me go to the dashboard once again. Okay, so this is how the hide admin notices plugin works. This is especially useful, when I record videos, uh, website or WordPress based videos. Like this one, I have to log into my dashboard of a particular site, and when I log in, I do not like to show so many unnecessary notices for you guys. So once again, the plugin's name is Hide Admin Notices. I have found it very useful. You can use the plugin for the same purpose. Okay, I recommended it. While I worked in that IT office, I used that for each and every site so that I do not get distracted to a lot of notices. So you perfectly, I guess you know. What purpose the plugins serve. Okay, and here is the hide notices button I was looking for. I momentarily forgot. Okay, you want to hide all these notices? No problem. Simply click here, and so toggle between these two things. Whenever you like to see the notices, click here. Whenever you want to get rid of them, click here. Okay, guys, so until the next time, have a great time and try this plugin hide admin notices, and comment. Let me know how you feel. Comment, and also if you like this video information full, or if you learned something new from here, please hit the thumbs up button. You can even share the video with your friends and associates, family members, no problem. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, YouTube channel yet, please do that. Okay, so thank you. Like I said, have a great time.